Hi, I'm Lisa Marie, and for the past couple of years I've been focusing on tinnitus, a condition which symptoms include ringing in the ears, buzzing, hissing, clicking, banging, and many other sounds that only the sufferer can hear. And I decided to put together a quick video sharing what I've learned. A colleague has developed a surefire clinically researched system that eliminates tinnitus for good, and it's already worked for thousands of men and women worldwide. This is a highly unique and potently powerful tinnitus healing system. If you're suffering from tinnitus symptoms, you can rest assured that his system will help you reverse and eventually eliminate these symptoms and afflictions from your life by following a safe and simple step-by-step holistic program. If you would like to learn how to cure your tinnitus permanently without drugs, without risky surgery, without any typical tinnitus treatments, and without any side effects, then this will be the most important action you can ever take. He has written a 10-page report titled Tinnitus: Symptoms, Causes, and Treatments that he's giving away for free. And in just a few seconds, a yellow instant access button will appear right here on this screen. Just click on the yellow button for the free download. I'm urging you to take this important step to improve your quality of life or the life of a loved one. This is a free report about tinnitus conditions and remedies. So go ahead, click on the yellow access button right now.